The Lenovo Tab Plus is a perfect blend of performance, design, and functionality, making it a standout option in the tablet market. In today's video, we'll dive deep into its display, performance, design, battery life, and all the small details that set this device apart. Let's get started. Starting with the design, the Lenovo Tab Plus boasts a sleek and premium look. It features a lightweight yet durable metal unibody frame that not only looks stylish but also feels robust in the hand. At just 7.5 millimeters thick and weighing approximately 520 grams, it's incredibly portable and comfortable to hold for long sessions, whether you're working, watching movies, or gaming. The matte finish on the back resists fingerprints and offers a secure grip, while the Lenovo logo and neatly placed rear camera add a touch of elegance. The front is dominated by its 11.5-inch 2K IPS LCD display with a resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels. With slim bezels surrounding the screen, it offers an immersive viewing experience. The display is vibrant and sharp, with 400 nits of brightness, ensuring clear visuals both indoors and outdoors. 2V Rhineland's low blue light certification ensures your eyes stay comfortable during extended use, making it perfect for reading, working, or studying. When it comes to performance, the Lenovo Tab Plus is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, an 8-core processor designed to handle a variety of tasks smoothly. Whether it's multitasking between apps, playing games, or streaming high-quality videos, the tablet delivers a seamless experience. It's paired with 8 gigabytes of RAM, which ensures lag-free multitasking, and 128 gigabytes of internal storage. If that's not enough, the tablet supports expandable storage up to 1 terabyte via a micro SD card. The device truly shines when it comes to audio. With 8 JBL speakers and Dolby Atmos technology, the Lenovo Tab Plus delivers a cinematic sound experience. Whether you're watching movies, listening to music, or gaming, the audio quality is immersive and crisp, with deep bass and balanced mids and highs. The speakers are strategically placed to provide consistent audio quality regardless of how you hold the tablet. Battery life is another highlight of the Lenovo Tab Plus. The massive 7,700 mAh battery ensures you can use the device all day without worrying about running out of power. With moderate to heavy usage, you can expect around 8 to 10 hours of screen time, making it ideal for work, entertainment, or even travel. When it's time to recharge, the 20-watt fast charging support gets you back up and running quickly. The tablet also includes dual cameras, with an 8-megapixel front camera and an 8-megapixel rear camera. While tablets aren't primarily used for photography, these cameras do a great job for video calls, online meetings, and scanning documents. The front camera ensures clear and detailed visuals for Zoom meetings or FaceTime calls, while the rear camera's autofocus helps capture sharp images when needed. For those who love productivity, the Lenovo Tab Plus supports a stylus and external keyboard, turning the tablet into a versatile workstation. The stylus offers precise input for drawing, writing, or taking notes, while the keyboard makes typing emails or editing documents a breeze. This makes it an excellent choice for students and professionals alike. Connectivity options are another strong suit of the Lenovo Tab Plus. It features a USB-C 2.0 port for fast data transfer and charging, a 3.5mm headphone jack for wired audio lovers, and Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless pairing with wireless accessories. It also supports Wi-Fi 6, ensuring fast and stable internet connectivity. Some models even come with LTE support, giving you the freedom to stay connected wherever you are. Lenovo has also paid attention to family-friendly features. The tablet includes a dedicated kids mode, allowing parents to manage screen time and restrict app access. This makes it a great choice for families with young children, providing a safe and engaging experience for kids. Running on Android 14, the Lenovo Tab Plus offers a clean and intuitive interface with access to all the latest features. The tablet is guaranteed to receive updates up to Android 16, ensuring you stay up to date with the latest software and security enhancements. Final verdict. The Lenovo Tab Plus is a well-rounded device that excels in both design and performance. Its stunning display, powerful internals, long-lasting battery, and premium audio make it an excellent choice for entertainment, productivity, and everything in between. Add to that its sleek design, stylus and keyboard support, and
Videos oder
family-friendly
Musik
features,
wiedergibt. Man kann
and
aber auch
you have a
einfach als
tablet
Best
that
JBL
truly
Bluetooth
caters to
Lautsprecher sein Handy
everyone's
mit dem
needs.
Tablet verbinden und dann
What are
darüber
your
Musik
thoughts on the
abspielen.
Lenovo Tab Plus? Does it meet your expectations? Let me
Für
know in
ein
the
Tablet
comments
ist der
below.
Klang echt gut,
And
aber
if
es
you
ist jetzt
enjoyed
nicht
this
wirklich eine
video,
Alternative.
don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts. See you in the next one.